from the... Okay. Just doing it. We've been roaming around together. Hi guys.
Hi.
So today we are in the Volta Region and the agenda for today is to visit the Waterfalls and Afajato. And I'll tell you the story of how we got here. Our car got spoiled on the way. You'll see the video of all of that. So we are about to climb the mountain. There's a 45-minute climb, a 3-hour climb, going and coming, and then a 5-hour going and coming. So we are doing the 3 hours because I don't think we'll survive the 5 hours.
Nobody have the energy for 5 hours.
So we are bringing you guys along. Hope you enjoy this. So we'll see you on the mountains.
Okay.
So we are actually right now. I believe these are students doing something. Tall guys. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Doji.
Doji. So when you come here, ask for Doji.
Doji. She's vlogging.
Take you around.
I'm volunteering here.
Still watching there. You watch.
So, we are crossing 9 bridges.
What bridge?
9 bridges.
9 bridges. Oh. So this is the first one.
And we have 2 different streams in the forest, and this is the first one coming from Togo. It's coming from long way because we are very close to Togo here, and the river is coming down. And during dry season, we wash inside and drink it. You can see the lady fake. Yeah.
That was what I told you, Darren.
And then people are washing inside. Yeah, we drink it.
Because it's a river, right?
It's a river.
So
it's not stagnant.
No,
yeah.
Water is moving.
And it's go to Lake Volta.
Lake Volta.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And the name of the river is Nubu.
Nubu
means something else. Nubu.
Nubu.
Yeah.
Nubu.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the name of the river. Yeah.
That's cool. Each stones to wash and stuff.
Yes. It makes the thing clean. If you have... So let me teach you guys a little history. If you have heavy stuff, you use a stone to wash it like that. It gets it really, really clean. See, the village girl is teaching you people's stuff.
Heavy, they can't use their hand.
It gets it clean, though, I'm telling you. I've done it before.
This one you can see the end.
This is mahogany tree.
And we take the skin for local medicine.
Oh, okay.
And also we take different kind of plants for voodoo. Juju. Juju? Yeah.
It's real. Juju is real.
Juju is real. Yeah, local juju.
Hey.
Yeah. So that's why people come and cut it. And this, in Togo, they have the machine and they are planting mahogany trees and then taking this for bracelets, the plastic one. The one you normally use to cut your hair.
Oh.
It's kind of like,
The thread?
yeah. So
they use this old piece.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because it's very lightweight.
The plastic shiny one. It's bitter.
Not bitter. They don't kill. No, put a little bit like. And then take your hand to.
So melt it a little bit to see.
Yeah. See.
Did it melt? Second bridge, eh?
And then this
come
second bridge. And the river from the waterfalls is different one.
So this is a different river.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a river from the water from the
Yeah, called Agumacha.
Agumacha.
And what's the meaning of this?
Means allow me to flow.
Allow me to flow.
Flow. Yeah, always flowing, never dry.
But allow me to flow is Agumacha.
Agumacha. Agumacha. Agumacha.
So he said that the river.
No, he said Agumacha.
No, yeah. So it's Agumacha, but like we pronounce it
Agumacha.
Yeah.
So this one, do people fetch water from here?
So what are they?
It's not allowed to wash inside.
Okay.
It's not allowed.
Why?
Yeah. It's according to the taboo.
It's a taboo.
Yes. So
Okay.
no washing inside.
So you can fetch to drink.
But you can fetch to drink.
Okay.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Yeah, this is how coffee tree looks like. This is just a small one. They actually grow bigger. Yeah. There's a village I know that grow a lot of coffee. I might go there and I'll show you guys, but if I don't, this is coffee tree. This is what you guys have been drinking every day, Dunkin' Donuts.
So they grow it on a commercial for Ghana.
Okay. Said this is water tree. If you cut it in the rainy season, the water will come out, right? Water will come out. Did you say water will come out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Water will come out.
Adam dola meliwo, doviwo dome, no,
Let's start this game.
Adam ya wo chowone. Adam ya wo choplone.
The truth of the matter is, I'm exhausted and I want to quit, but I have to go keep going.
We'll leave you down there. Let's go.
This is hard.
Break time over. Break time over. Break time over. Let's go.
The last time.
It's not easy.
So this is the cottage of the man who discovered the waterfalls in 1869, about 151 years ago.
Wow.
He was living here.
Nice 5-star.
He was a hunter man, a hunter. He hunts in the forest. So on his way to the forest, he found it. And by that time, there's no village. He came from Blutoji. There's a little village at the top of the mountain called Blutoji. That is where the man came from. So he came here to hunt and found the waterfalls and decided to live here naturally. He grew up cassava, plantain, kind of. Yeah, he's alone. He just.
You didn't have a wife?
But yeah, so after founded the waterfalls, about like 100 years later, that he got a wife and it's many children.
Wait, about 100 years
So how long
later.
did he live? Wait, he found the waterfalls about. Do you get
He
it?
said 18 something.
1869. That's 151 years.
Okay,
So 51 years later, he got a wife.
got a wife.
Oh, okay.
Then
The village, yeah, it's kids, many children.
After he found the waterfall, he got married 51 years
I think he was
later.
51 when he got married.
Oh, he was 51 years old when he got married. Hey, then he has been a spinter for long.
Wait.
Oh, bachelor.
You understand the math. He's been here for 61 years. After he founded the place.
That was 161 years.
Okay, at this point, we're not understanding what he was saying. We're getting the math wrong, so we decided to let him tell us the story in hours. So I will explain to everybody later.
Afia, about Alpha, black over Ko Pofia va le 51 years later, at the Vadesro, and not Bumilefia the car. I can't over the
I get my 51 years so.
I come on 51 years.
I get 51 years later. Go Puffy your bad so.
I come, sir. You have this right review. By that time, like, yeah, Oja, Diamel Chan.
Lo Jeffrey.
Oh, Jeffrey too. The Vio, the food to Vanyeg.
Okay.
I know fear. I could fear.
I couldn't feel the view.
I'll hear the car.
Back at the piano.
I know fear the car. I did your no problem. I have Cafe 1999. Any year, we found like tourism. Cafe on Fiji Fiava. And Taichi no fear, American Movano, a moment. Tarape, Sikova Givio, Viva Chia, over the Mo, over Quebo, and Dono, Sika Amona Teva Quapo Gachum, Kojigao, Vanyaberg Bear, Vanyan Sika, Messiam, and the Viamacho Valcopon. It's Kachia, it's Yama dry now.
Okay.
Always flowing. Go, Pocha, Takawada's name, which I'm a football.
Okay. Tatanka yam toku.
Equabel 24 years now.
24 years now. Have you got like that? Okay.
If you want to teach you, if you should watch, if you should watch, teach you. Eh, now, coach, ya, Balake shelter cham, where Drana, you now inquire, Ago Macha. Ago
Macha. Lam, Ago Macha.
Yeah, I care about us taboo. And call about us taboo, like in the no more. About 2 years now. When you know what's celebrating now, I will go. Let's tell Macon, Pelagos, Macon, Robert, in trouble. Yeah,
if you have ceremony,
even could have you the color brown over if you feel like. Yeah, color. I won't call you Kluji.
Taleko Zook or Wakaka Zoopli. Waterfall.
A player, I think Baronio, Tiny Lefia, Breakfast Duma, Blady Player, I never play low Duma.
Okay.
I don't want a foot Duma Vanna, a liquid Vanna on a giant batter. Tabli Toa. What the work? Coach, I may have blown you. I ain't back on you. Come let's you. I go over. What you play? You think bleed. Oh, what you? I can't find you back. You number me blame me, then by me. They were on you, but I tell you above. I never follow your bleed. I tell me, that's your top on common every year. Ow. A don't go every. A child do.
Okay.
I tell Waterfalls.
That's your phone coin, yeah.
Waterfalls. And check coin, Agomacha.
Agomacha.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the history he gave us. The hatch you saw belonged to the man who discovered the waterfall about 151 years ago. And after he discovered the waterfall, he got married 51 years later and started his family. The family lived in the bleak town, but he stayed in the forest and occasionally goes home to visit the family, and the family visits him there too. In 1999, tourism started years back after he discovered the fall. Because there was no way through the forest, people couldn't see the falls, so they decided to create a path that led to the falls, so to use it as a tourist site. And the water never dries up. He said since they discovered it, the water never dried up. And the man unfortunately passed 24 years ago, but his kids are still in the town. They are grown people, and some of them are part of the guards. And he named the falls Agomacha, which means allow me to flow. And every 2 years there's a celebration in remembrance of him. However, because the waterfall is in Buli town, people usually call it Buli Waterfall, but the actual name of the falls is Agomacha. So that's basically the short history of the waterfall. This is so beautiful. It doesn't dry out. Never. No. So have you seen like the source? Like the big river that falls like this? It doesn't have a source.
The river.
You don't know where it's coming from.
It comes from the mountain. It's coming from the village at the top. We told you.
Oh. Yeah. So have you been there before?
Yes.
There's a village up there.
Yeah.
It's here.
So it's not coming from like the river.
We made it 2.5 hours of walk.
I know.
Mountain climbing.
It's not easy.
And we are here. It's very beautiful out here. I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see it. Like, it's very, very, very beautiful. It's so worth it.
Very. You need to come here.
Let's go down. Okay. You guys, this is a very, very beautiful place. Like, if you look around, we are kind of in the mountains. It's a very, very nice place. It's overwhelming, like, how this kind of business. It's overwhelming, like, you can't even think of how this is possible, right? This is very nice. It's very, very beautiful. You are drinking it. It's refreshing. No, mine is cool.
I feel the natural
I want yours.
You don't mind?
Yeah, mine is good. It's like from the fridge.
You guys should step on this phone.
It's like you have some chilled water.
Alright, I'll go back into the water. I have to go far. Give me the shot. I have to see everything.
Cheers, guys. And it's very nice.
Where is that? I wish I could go all the way up. Start on the slope somewhere. But after it's shown, you guys put your legs there, you can.
We are hiking back to where we started from. We are climbing and then we descend. We are going up that mountain and then get back. I didn't take my stick. My stick. I need my stick. So we are at a 45 minutes place, and as you can see, this is higher than where we went to because we went high up to see the river. So we climbed up, so we went a little high. I don't know if that makes sense, but this is way higher. So if you want to do the 45, it's literally a walking distance. You don't have to do any climbing and anything, and it doesn't hurt. But this one, the one we did, we have to hike, and that one really hurts. Like, it takes a lot of energy. But the view here is also great. There are people up there. The hiking is a lot of work. I fell 3 times and I cried at some point and they have to hold me to get down. But yeah, if you come here, in case you come here, if you are not at hiking time, that is none of your business. Just do the 45 minutes and you'll be fine. You'll still have a beautiful view. I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see the view. This is like a very beautiful view. Like, look at that. Look at that. And then tourists. They sell it. Milajra. Nana Milajra. Tame bois bien le price là-bas. Quel est le baguette, Marie? Because the water is literally cold, you can just put your drink in there and it will cool it for you. Like this water is freezing cold. Like if you step your feet in it, it feels like your feet is about to get frozen. So he put a drink in there so it get cold, and he's selling it. I'm probably gonna get one because I'm really hungry. Guys, there's a rainbow over the river, over the falls. Look, there's a rainbow over the fall. That is so Georgie, do you know how tall the waterfall is?
500 meters.
500 meters high? Okay. So we are done for the day. We are going home. We wanted to go to Mount Afajato, which is like, I believe, 20 minutes from here, but I can't do the climbing anymore. I'm tired, literally tired. Like my hips hurt from the fall and everything. So we are going back to Accra. So if you come to Blee, they have 3 options. They have the 45-minute walk one. That one is just walking on a level ground, and it's pretty easy to do. 45 is like 15 Ghana cedis, which is like a little less than $3. And they have a 3-hour walk. The 3-hour walk is estimated, so if you're someone that is slow and you feel the pain and you haven't hiked before, no, listen to me. But I'm explaining now. If you haven't hiked before, that 3 hours is like chicken change. Like you won't be able to do the 3 hours. Just plan for 5 hours if you haven't hiked before, because it took us a while. Because they claim I was slowing them down, but I was actually helping them to rest. They don't know. I wasn't slowing them down. I was helping them to rest. So yeah, if you want to do that one is 35 cedis, which is like approximately like $7. So yeah, it's pretty affordable. But if you're an international person, it might be a little high, but I think it will still be less than $10. So just keep that in mind. They have the 5-hour hike to the waterfall. So if you do the 5 hours, you'll be going up that mountain over there.
Up to the top?
Yeah.
You'll be going up there. But of course,
Even though we did all that shit, we're just down. Man!
of course, we didn't do the 5 hours because I'm about to kill myself. And the 5 hours too, you see what? You see chimpanzees, snakes, antelopes on the way. So if you are best friends with chimpanzees, snakes, and antelopes, go ahead and do that 5 hours. But they are not part of my family, so I don't want to deal with them. And I can probably even hike that 5 hours. The 3 hours already killed me. So yeah, I didn't check the price of that one, but just be prepared for anything. I think it will be less than $15. I really think it will be less than $15. So yeah, that's the 5. Remember, something exciting, I write it in the video. I'll probably say it. Yeah, heading to Hohoe. Yeah, we are heading to Waterfalls because we didn't eat. That's another bad thing. We didn't eat before hiking. We only took drinks. So we have to go find a ride to Waterfalls, and our tour guide is helping us to find a ride. If you come, look for him. He's very good and he'll help you. He literally held my hand down that mountain. Or else I'll probably not have survived it. So yeah, he's called Doji. So just ask for Doji and they'll show you. So I think that's it for this vlog. I'm probably gonna end it when we get to Hohoe. If we find a place to eat, I'll probably put it in. But if I don't, I'll still end the vlog. So yeah, I'm going to put the camera away and then we'll get to Hohoe. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
So guys, we are so tired, but we made it. We finished our journey. We've had dinner and we're in our bus going back home.
It's a 4 hours ride.
4 hours ride.
So we'll probably get there like 10, 11 p.m. So we are going to end the vlog here. Be sure to subscribe and thumbs up. We did a lot of hiking today, so better thumbs up.
Yeah. And our driver wants to say hi. Our driver wants to say hi. So say hi.
So we'll see you in our next vlog.
Bye.